Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Mbuya Mai benji vauya nawo zvakare mastori manyama dzinonaka dzinotapira dzinopisa dzichangoitika. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more and to hit the notification button. So, the former kid father, say Obina, he is engaged with his lover and took to social media to update the netizens, saying, "She said yes, I'm officially taken." He also said, "Sorry to disappoint, but she's not Zimbabwean," after many members of the cat family attacked him. He also made fun of Mora by saying, "It's only a desperate woman who would buy herself a ring and even go further to pay her on lobola like your cat mother did." One of his former children asked if he bought a blanket, and he answered, saying, "Do you need a blanket to keep a marriage? Was your cat mom able to keep her relationship and marriage even with the blankets?" Pavaka kundikana ku continue na maposa. Many, however, vakamfarira, vakamcongratulate and expressed how they missed him as their cat father. Sekuti mumwe wacho akati, "You are taken, but you are still our father. Congratulations." Vamwe vachiti, "I'm hurt without you, and I also thought you'd amend things." Ivo vachibva, "How can I go back to my past? I move." It's clear people were so invested in Obina and Mai Titi. But well, chisingaperi chinoshura. Ameno zichavabata sei iwo amai. But anyway, makorokota oga. Please don't forget to subscribe. Mbuya Mai benji, signing out.